Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. This week's collab was hosted by Nailart and Patty's Polish Corner, and I joined in. I'll have links to their videos in the description box below. I used this blue stamping polish to cover up my previous manicure, and over it I applied this Born Pretty. This one is 3D Magnetic Aurora series, and this one is Aurora Borealis. I'll also be using this magnet. I did one of the nails off camera and I wanted to show you guys how I did it. I shake the polish really well to make sure everything is mixed in, and then I apply a generous amount over the nail. And before it dries, I hold the magnet over the nail without touching the nail, just being very careful, just for a few seconds, and you can see the effect right there in the middle. I use a nail art brush dipped in acetone to do a little bit of cleanup. The base of my design is ready, so now it's time to stamp. I use a white polish to stamp all the designs. I use several images from different stamping plates, which of course I'll have listed in the description box below, to create two lightsabers. Then I use a nail striper brush to fill in the base using black polish and a little bit of silver. And to fill in the lightsabers, I use red polish mixed with clear for one. And for the other one, which I did off camera, I mixed a blue polish with clear. I liked the way it looked and I thought I was done, so I applied a clear top coat. But off camera, I decided to use the letters from this Curali stamping plate to write out the word Star Wars. And after applying a matte top coat over it, this is the final result. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! Check the description box for links to everybody's video.